Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jinendra Jain from Wockhardt Hospital, Mira Road. We all know that the second wave of COVID-19, it is beating the country ferociously. The second wave is little different from the previous wave because the virus is little new. There are multiple strains which are going on. We all are talking about which is this new strain, what is the new strain. Uh, Currently, what the new strain it is found in the most of the patient is the double mutant strain. The double mutant strain is the combination of two mutant viruses. So mutation in the viruses is not a new one. Any virus, all the viruses, they keep on having some or other mutations, and which are most likely most of the times those are non-significant mutations. They don't create much problem. They don't change the behavior of the virus. But when there are multiple mutations, they may change the behavior of virus. So this double mutant virus, it is found to be a little more infective, but not very severe enough. We really don't know whether it has some different effect from the immunity on the body of the human being than the previous wild virus. The official data is not showing that young people are having more infections than the older people. Official data is same, like the younger people are having almost same. But yes, we are seeing more young patients. The reason behind, because last time when there was complete lockdown, so people were not going for the work, people were not going out of their houses. This time the lockdown is not there, so young people definitely they have to go out to earn money, to their job, to make arrangements for their parents, to make arrangements for their kids. So they are more exposed in the community. They are more exposed to the virus. So that's why they are getting more infected. It is not like that this virus infects more tendency towards infecting young people than the older people. The differentiation of the mutation or the differentiation of the strain, it cannot be categorized or it cannot be differentiated with the clinical condition or just by signs of symptoms or PCR test. To detect about the which strain is there, we need to do the genome sequencing test. So if the genome sequencing test is been done, it will say that the particular patient is affected from this particular strain. But it doesn't make any sense to go for the genome sequencing, because it doesn't give any other information for the management of the patient. So it is just for the research purpose, it is not for the clinical management purpose. So we are seeing many patients who have got first dose and then they have got infected, and this is a common question they ask. No sir, this is my vaccine time, what should I do? So the people who have got the first shot and who are currently infectious, or who are in the 14 days of the this COVID infection after getting, they should not get the vaccine right now. The people who have got the this convalescent plasma during their illness, or people who have got monoclonal antibodies during their treatment, which is a part of treatment in COVID. So these patients, like who are having current COVID but they have vaccinated with one dose, or the patients who have got monoclonal antibodies, or the patients who have received plasma, they should defer their second dose by 4 to 6 weeks. After 4 weeks of all these things, they should get the second dose of the vaccine whatever they have got on the first time. There is no specific tip for all these mutated viruses. The virus is same. It has little bit of mutation, so with some of the proteins, but it hasn't changed the behavior of the virus, or it hasn't changed the disease itself. So the tips are same. We have to strictly follow the social distancing. We have to keep on wearing mask. We have to keep on changing mask. We don't have to touch the mask. So these are the same things which we are following since 1 year. We have to keep on sanitizing our hands. So the same things, the age old things. So nothing new in the prevention of virus. Yes, the thing which we have got new is the vaccine. It will prevent you from the virus, even from the new virus. There are data that these vaccines, what we are having, Covishield and Covaxin in India, these vaccines are effective for new mutant viruses also. So we have to be vaccinated as soon as possible whenever we get the opportunity or whenever we become eligible. Now all more than everyone more than 18 years is eligible from 1st of May. So we should get vaccinated ourselves, so it will prevent us from the mutated virus as well.